Hey, what's up, guys? It's Casper CB here today, and I have a pack opening for you today. I have a battle pack opening. I just have like 10? Yeah, 10. I got it from my grandfather. My grandfather gave them to me and was like, "Here, try these out." I don't know what's in these. So when he handed this to me, I was like, "What the hell is this?" So I don't even know what's in these things. So that's why I'm just videoing them. I don't even know if they're. I mean, it seems like a small pack. I don't know if they're just like a little specialty pack or what exactly these things are. So anyways, I'm just going to start opening these things. I might have to do this in 2 videos, but I'm going to go ahead and open them. I got 10, so it's 50 cards. Anyways, I'm going to start into one. Okay, so it's older cards. Okay, let's see how this is. So we got a Gravity Orb. Whoa, Dark Ruler Hadass. Really? Common? What? It's weird. Ancient Gear Golem. Ancient Gear. Whoa, this is weird. What? Those doubles? Battle Pack. Okay, so I guess you just like get a bunch of these things together and make a deck out of them. Okay. Sort of makes sense. Alrighty. That's strange. Oh, are all these common, I guess? Yeah, I guess all these are common. Oh well. Cool. Pitch Black Werewolf. Archfiend Soldier. Whoa, Wind-Up Whoa, common Wind-Up Zen Master. That's funny. Twin Barrel Dragon. Wow, this is funny. I like these. So these are like just help you get stuff. Alright, so let's try this out now. Wait, you open it. There we go. That's funny. Nordic. A Tricky. Hey, I needed one of them. Cool. What? That's gay. A Harpy's Feather Duster? Really? Really? What? And it's like all sparkly and crap. That's funny. Premature Burial. A Harpy's Feather Duster. Yeah, that's fair. Oh, got my camera. Twin-Headed Behemoth, a Calculator, Dark Ruler Hadass, oh, sorry, you guys can't even see these. I don't know, I hate that dinosaur thing. And Changing Destinies. I wonder what I bet you I can get some, like, common of the expensive stuff. That'd be funny. Oh, hey, look. Gaga, Magician, Gape. What? Divine Soldier, Gigasaur, whatever. Snatch Steel, really? Horn of the Unicorn. Yeah, so this is fun. They're just a bunch of commons. Okay, that's cool. Some cool commons. Voltic Trooper, Ancient Gear Knight, Wind Up Dog, really? Hey, look, a Mobius the Frost Monarch. Infected Male. Huh, this is cool. It's not shiny, but it's cool. Arcanite, whatever. Oh, cool! Dark Magician of Chaos. Another Harpy's Feather Duster. Needle Sealing. And they have this like this weird shiny coat on them. I don't know if you can see this or not. Here, look. It's hard to pick up on camera. It's like not even shiny, it's like a marking. See it? There it is. Little stars. Yeah. That's funny. Commons became badass! Open up. Mad... whatever that is. Fabled... Magic Drain. Divine Wrath. That's cool. I like that. Also, each of them have one of those little shiny ones in there. Oh. Okay, I wonder if I can get like some cool staples in here. I bet you I could. Depending on what they have. I normally never open packages. There we go. Noise. There we go. The Dark Twins. Hey, Dark Bribe. Hey, Mystical Space Typhoon. That's cool. I guess that's cool. I guess you just get a bunch of these and just duel with them, I guess. Yeah, I won't do that. I'd use the cards for what they are. Level Warrior, the Tricky. Ooh, a Utopia. That's cool. And a Magic Drain. And a Miracle's Wake. Common. I remember when I pulled this the first time. Miracle's Wake. That's funny. That's cool. Anyways, well, that's the cards. I might go to the store and actually get some of these now. These are kind of cool. I mean, I got a Wind Up Zen Mighty. The cards I needed. There's a Tricky. There's a Utopia, Miracle's Wake. I do use Magic Drain in my old school decks because, I mean, they are kind of good. You know, let's see here. So, you know, Dark Bribe, I guess. I don't know if people still use those anymore. Mystical Space Typhoon. Magic Cylinders, Divine Wrath. There's some good potential. Harpy's Feather Dusters. Oh my god, if they ever came back, I would... Oh my god, I quit. Effective Mail, definitely for Glad Beasts. You know, let's see what else, some other stuff in here. Dark Ruler DOS, I guess if you want to use Fiends, but you know, there's another, you know, another Harpy's Feather Duster, another Tricky, you know, Wind Up Zen. I don't know if Wind Ups use those or not. I'm not a Wind Up person. Yeah, but anyways, those are kind of, I mean, they're just common, so, oh well. Works pretty well. Ah! Okay, that was a failure. My camera fell. Anyways. It's Casper CB, out.